we want to send at least 100 van bikes to the Maroon village in Maroon Town, St. Elizabeth. We want to issue them to all of these society people who really needs of help. These bikes, if you look at them, they can also, you can drive around, sell, you can produce a banana, your cane, your orange, whatever they have down there. So we have to put together 100 of them that we can send them to contribute to our society. We also have some here, so we're going to place them on the record today, and we will send some more down there in the week. So as soon as possible, we will know that Maroon Village will be very happy to have these bikes. These are very classified bikes. They're brand new. They're very unique, and I know for sure that the Maroon Village will be happy to have this state of the art down there. God bless you.